What is going on, everyone? I wish you all doing fine. Today I have an important message to the dog owners worldwide, especially in Jersey City, New Jersey, Hoboken, New Jersey, and New York City. Please remember that neither the trees nor the sidewalk is a toilet for your dog. So if your dog has to do it, let him do it on the tree or on the soil around the tree, not on the sidewalk tile, not on the sidewalk concrete, only on the tree or the soil around the tree. And then please pick the dog's tool up. Don't leave it on the tree or next to the tree. Please do not expect someone else to clean after your dog. Be a nice neighbor. That is for the dog owners. For the house owners, my message to the house owners worldwide, especially in Jersey City, New Jersey, Hoboken, New Jersey, and New York City 5 boroughs. Please clean the sidewalk and the asphalt in front of your house. Also, please consider the pedestrian rights, like maintain the trees, cut the low tree branches. The pedestrians have right in the sidewalk. For the house owners, please clean the sidewalk and the asphalt in front of your house. For the business owners, please clean the sidewalk and the asphalt in front of your business, which is going to increase your sales. Also, please consider the pedestrian rights in the sidewalk by not abusing the sidewalk with chairs and tables, with decorations, with low decorations which may impede the traffic, with flags which may impede the traffic, with hanging baskets which may impede the traffic. Don't take half the sidewalk in front of your business, because that is going to make the sidewalk narrower and narrower. So please consider the pedestrian right in the sidewalk. Thank you, and be nice to your neighbor.